This is another episode of Watching Me Choose Things. Excuse my appearance, I just woke up, so my face is a little puffy from sleeping. As you see, we're on FabFitFun, and we're gonna go through and make my selections. I've already put like 2 items in my cart. I'll show you guys at the end. I want to go through and do those yesterday. I went and did those yesterday so that I would get at least some good options. Wait, what are the unavailable options? Was this perfume? Mystery? Oh, the the glow recipe is gone. They took that real quick. We have the cocktail shaker. I don't drink alcohol. Sunglasses. I think those sunglasses are actually very ugly. It's not my style. Fenty Skin Cherry Dub Triple Action AHA Body Scrub. I think I'm already getting a body scrub from Fenty in my icon box, so I don't need that. First Aid Repair Firming Collagen Cream. I'm good on that. I don't need collagen cream. My face isn't, I still have a lot of lift to my face, so I don't really need that. I don't really care for this little button-up situation. Don't like those sunglasses, and I'm gonna be honest, this Kate Spade is a little tacky. Yeah, I think this is a little tacky. So, what is this? Beauty Stack Cosmetics Universal C Skin Refiner. I have enough skincare. So I think I'm gonna go with this Business and Pleasure Co. Cooler Tote Bag. Cause, with me having baby girl, and we're gonna be wanting to do things as a family and take food with us, take beverages, and that's gonna keep it really cool. And it's not ugly. Like, I don't think this is ugly. And from the videos that I saw, it's pretty big. So I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see, what's the next? Dang, bruh, I wanted this, which is crazy because I usually don't go for hair products, but I actually really like the Amika. The Amika line is really nice, and I have their conditioner, so it would be nice to have like a shampoo and conditioner set from them because I do like their product. Beach towel, no. No, thank you. I just use a regular towel. I just use a regular towel. I don't need no special beach towel. Ceramic vase. I don't know if that's going to go with the vibe of where me and Justin choose to move, because we are in the process of looking for another home. So I don't think that's really in the vibe yet, because I don't know. We haven't chosen a home yet. So I don't want to stock up on stuff that I don't know is going to fit the decor. You know what I mean? Volition Getaway Glow Tanning Firming Facial Serum. I don't need that. Lost and Wander Frequent Flyer Travel Pillow. Dang, $60? That's expensive. But that actually looks like a really nice travel pillow. Maybe. I might get that. I might get that. This is a worry-free passport and wallet. I don't need that. Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. Y'all, I love me some Elemis, but I have so many eye creams. I'm not gonna be able to use all of those eye creams realistically. Let me look at this. If you're anything like us, already planning out your cute outfits, gold-plated brass with freshwater pearls. I mean, that's actually pretty cute. And I don't really have that much jewelry. So I'm gonna go with this. I am gonna go with this. That's cute. And I think I already have these pillows. And honestly, whenever I use them, I always lose them. I always lose these travel pillows, and they're never as comfortable as you're hoping they'll be. So I'd rather get a cute piece of jewelry because I just don't jewelry shop for myself. Let's see. First, let's look at the things we can't get. This little bracelet. Of course, the Fenty is gone. I would have loved to have gotten one of these products. Eye serum, another eye serum. No, thank you. Candles. I can't use candles right now because baby girl. And plus, I don't know what that smells like. It might stink. Vacation, super spritz, face mists. No. Ririku resin coasters. Those are cute, but like I said, I don't know what my house is going to look like. So I don't want to commit to something and then it's not what goes with my decor. This little float poolside leisure club tube float. No. Now what is this? Reebok Smart Jump. I don't get it. For your fitness routine, just a hop, skip, and a jump away. Digital counter tracks metrics such as time, calories burned, rotation. All you need to jump to your heart's content and let it do the rest. Oh, okay. What are these little ball things at the end? What is this? Like, I don't understand how this works. Like, what are these little ball things? And why are they completely gone when she's actually using it? I am on my fitness journey. I am on my fitness journey, so I might get this jump rope. I don't know. Nothing else here really excites me. You know, when you go to the pool, they already have these, so I don't need to have my own. I just don't like this. I think this is ugly. And plus, I have all these Ipsy bags. I could just use one of those if I need a travel bag. So, I mean, I guess that's the best one out of the choices, so I guess I'll just have to go with it. Now, if you guys didn't know, they changed it to where seasonal can choose all of their items instead of just some of them. Let's see, what are the unavailable ones? Sarah Labs Cracked Heel Souffle and the mystery choice. Amika Smooth Over Fighting Frizz Fighting Treatment. My hair really isn't that frizzy, so I wouldn't even need a product like this. Thrive Cosmetics Sheer Strength Hydrating Lip Tint. Not a big fan of lip tints, so that's a no for me, dog. I don't drink alcohol, so I don't need those. Serum Kind Black and Blossom Hand Serum. Wove Made Bespoke 250. No, because I don't know if this is going to cover the cost of a full piece of jewelry. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I get this, will it completely cover the jewelry, or will I have to pay extra out of pocket? So no, absolutely not. Y'all already know I don't like hair clips. I do not like hair clips. What is this? Stemless wine cup, 12 ounces. I mean, that's cute. That's a cute color. It's like a rose gold. I don't want the lip tints. Let me just look. Yeah, I'm good. There's not that much color payoff. So I'm going to go with this. I'm going to go with this stemless wine cup. I don't have to put wine in it. You know, I can just put my water. Okay, I can put my juice in there. I don't have to put wine. And it's cute. I think that's actually very cute. And it'll hopefully keep my stuff cold. All right, customization 5. Let's see what's unavailable. They grabbed up these cards with the quickness. Bruh. Earth Harbor, Baby Snap, and Baby Clone Nail Duo. Mystery Choice Gown, Inner Labs Anti-Chafe Liquid Powder. Yeah, I don't want any of these items anyways, so I'm not mad at that. Sensuals, natural, and organic skincare brightening. I'm good on that. This is a toothpaste. Toothpaste and a tongue scraper. I don't think I need a tongue scraper. Nano Hydroxy Petite toothpaste. This next gen toothpaste trades fluoride for nanohydrox. Watch, that's just another word for fluoride. These companies think they slick. I don't know if that's the case, but I'm just saying, you know, tin hat. I've got my tin hat on. Okay, I might get that, but part of me was looking at this. I never draw freckles on, but what if I wanted to? You draw a little freckle. And this stuff is expensive. This freck stuff is expensive. This little itty bitty tube and it's $22. Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. Glow Juice. I have this. I already have this. Topicals, under eye masks. I have enough under eye masks. I could have gotten that in my icon box. I mean, me and Justin, we already kind of have a toothpaste that we like. I'm gonna go with this freck. I'm gonna go with this little freck thingamabobber. Allergies are kicking my butt. Oh my God. Like, my face was so swollen from the air. Like, why is the air doing this to me? You know, I don't need it because we have a toothpaste that we like. We have one already. And then the final customization. Let's see what is not available. The dog lovers came and got that. I don't have a dog, so I'm okay with this. The little booby things, I'm okay with that because they would have never had my size. I already know. They would have never had my size. My boobs are huge after pregnancy. Like, just huge. I wouldn't trust to get anything like this. Well, I guess it's just to cover your nips, so maybe they would have worked. I don't wear hats like this. I mean, I have a hat, but I don't wear it that often. I was interested in trying this Blink Cosmetics Lash Extension Tubing Mascara, but they also have it on Flip. So I might just go ahead and get that on Flip, and then I can write reviews for it and get some of my monies back. Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Serum. Was this for your hair? Oh yeah, it's for your hair. Nah. Herbivore Botanicals Aquarius Clarity Cream. What the fuck is a clarity cream? Her for oily skin, combination skin. This formula is non-comedogenic. Made with blue tansy oil and white willow bark. This cream deep cleans congested pores while balancing hydration levels. Oh, okay. So this is specifically for oily skin. Truly clear wrinkle fighting silicone. Definitely don't need that. DP Hue apple cider vinegar exfoliating scalp detox. I've been wanting to get a scalp scrub, like a scalp scrub. I've been wanting one of those, but I don't know. this little pot. Like I said, I don't know what our new house is going to look like. So I'm not going to buy any decor until I know for certain, until I know for certain what our house is about to be looking like. Single walled, freezer friendly. It's just like a little food container. You know, I love the color pink. Don't get me wrong. I love the color pink. But when it comes to like the kitchen and things that go in the kitchen, I prefer things that are like neutral colors, like, or things that are like glass. That's my preference. I feel like I already have brushes. Be amused at how easy it is to do. Just for a flawless base, a multi-purpose complexion brush for concealer, powder, or a pop of blush. Did I say brush the first time or did I say blush? And a dual-ended eye brush so you can apply and blend your shallows with ease. This will definitely be the only brushes you need from now on. I have a lot of makeup brushes and I don't particularly need more. I don't know. This section is the one section where I'm just like, I don't know if I really like any of these products that much. Great for all hair types, safe for colored hair, salicylic acid, fruit enzymes. I'm gonna have to skip on it because of the salicylic acid. I was told I need to stay away from salicylic acid for a little bit. I might just get this then. Yeah, I might just get this because it's good for oily skin. My skin is very oily, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose that. I would have preferred to have chosen this one, but I can get it on flip. These are the add-ons. Let me see if any of the add-ons I wanted have reappeared, because they have it where people will take things out of their cart and then put them back and forth. Oh, I guess that's it. Oh, no, this is the full shop right here. This price is crazy. $17.10. That is a crazy, crazy price. They have the Grillo recipe, which is very cool. It looks like sweatpants. I don't know if you guys can tell, like, can see that too, but it looks like sweatpants. Ooh, fancy. But this is just like a sheer shiny lipstick. No, I'm good. I don't think they have anything on here that I really wanted outside of what I already grabbed. I think I got all the stuff I wanted. I don't want to scroll through all of that. It's a lot to scroll through. Let me show you what I picked up. I picked up the Dibs No Pressure Lip Line Last Word. I picked this up. I thought that would be so cute. And then I also subscribed to the mystery bundle. But yeah, it's just like a mystery bundle, so it'll be exciting to see what they get me. It'll just kind of be something else we can look forward to on the channel. Let's see, retail value 65 plus 1 in 25 members will receive an extra high value item as part of their bundle. Okay. Order with confidence. Order up to 3 bundles and we guarantee you'll receive no duplicate items. Okay. So you can order three variations of these. I only want the one. Just I want to see what you're working with first before I go ahead and do all that. I don't buy the rush my order thing because I think that's silly. Like, why would I pay an extra $15 for you to send it to me faster? I'll just get it when I get it. I will just get it when I get it. This subscription is already a little pricey, especially if you do any add-ons. That was everything I chose for my FabFitFun. Of course, y'all the members, so y'all get it first. Okay, the members get to know the tea before the tea is even poured. If you guys have any videos in particular that you want to see from me, definitely let me know in the comment section. If it's something that I can do, I will do it. But y'all, that was everything, and I will see y'all with the next one. Bye.